Hi, my name is Frank Valentic, buyers and vendors advocate at Advantage Property Consulting, giving you a market update. Well, the Melbourne market has continued fairly consistent performance. There's been less auctions because of the restrictions, with only around 100 auctions each weekend. This is well down from the 600 auctions we probably see at this time of the year, up to 1,000 auctions in the spring selling season. So there is very low stock. Clearance rates are still around 70%, but there are a lot more expression of interest campaigns. That's how all of our vendor advocacy clients are selling their properties at the moment. There has been some changes with the restrictions. Now you're able to have up to 20 people at an auction and 20 people at an open for inspection. It was 10, but still limiting the numbers that are coming through, because most people would come through and come to an auction with a partner or family, and therefore that might limit it to 5 to 10 actual real bidders, and then whether they bid or not, you're not sure of their limits, you're not sure who you should include and who you should exclude. So we're still recommending expression of interest campaigns. I think the measures that the government has taken with JobKeeper and their other boosts to the economy are assisting keeping the property market propped up. We're seeing still some very strong results. We've seen records in a number of suburbs. There was a house recently sold in Burn Avenue, Elwood, which sold very quickly, well before the auction date, and it sold for over 6.5 million. So it was a record for the area, beating the previous record of 6.55 in Dickens Street. And there was also John Borgiano's beachfront property, a double block in Martin Street, which sold for the second highest ever price in Brighton for 19.8 million recently. So the market is still holding up. The stock levels are down, which is assisting prices, 40% down in most suburbs. So that's not giving buyers much choice, but there are less buyers now as well. So the investor numbers are definitely down, and the entry level of the market is very much being dominated by first home buyers, which we've seen compete for some of our vendor advocacy properties recently in Embankment Grove, Chelsea, Howard Street, South Yarra, and Denham Street, Hawthorn, all very much being very popular with the first home buyer segment of the market. Investors are really gone to water and are nowhere to be seen at the moment.